everyone, my name is Safia from Pluto class. Today I want to explain about my Science Expo project. So, my Science Expo project is growth of green beans in sunlight versus darkness. So, I have a question for you guys. How does exposure to sunlight compared to darkness affect the growth of green beans plant? So, my hypothesis is green beans in sunlight will have more leaves, while green beans in darkness will grow taller. So, the material for the project is green beans, plastic cups, ruler, cotton, and water. So, the procedure is plant an equal number of green beans in each cups. Place one cup in an area with direct sunlight and place the other one in the dark. Water both plants regularly to maintain consistent cotton moisture. Observe and measure the growth of the plant for 7 days. So, the background is sunlight provides energy for photosynthesis, a process that fuels plant development. This experiment aims to compare the growth of green beans in sunlight versus darkness. So, the conclusion is this experiment supports the hypothesis that sunlight will have more leaves and green leaves because sunlight provides energy for photosynthesis. Green beans in darkness will grow taller than the green beans in sunlight because the plant is looking for sunlight to grow. The plant in the darkness is yellow because there's no sunlight for photosynthesis. So, my result is, after 7 days, the plants that grow in sunlight grow healthier and have green leaves, while the plants that grow in the darkness grow taller and have light green leaves. So, this is the growth of my plants in 7 days. This is the sunlight, this is the darkness, and this is the picture of my plants after 7 days. So, that's it for my experiment. See you next time. Bye!